Hi guys, this is Dhiren. Welcome back to my channel, the iTech Creator. Guys, today's in this video, I'm going to show how to connect switch socket and MCB in box. So guys, let's watch the full video. Colors brown, and this is socket and switch. This is socket. The MCB, and this is the switch. You can see, guys. How to connect? I will show you in this video. So guys, let's watch the full video. This is the nut. You can see, guys. You can see, guys. I will install here 4 socket and 3 switch and 1 MCB. You can see, guys, this is the MCB in this way. You can see, guys. Install another one. You can see, guys. Now I will install the switch. And this is the MCB, guys. You can see, guys. Now the board is ready in this way. So guys, now let's connect the wire. This is the arting line, guys. You can see. Give this pipe for your safety.
Another one.
This is the arting, guys. This is the copper wire. And this is the switch. So guys, now connection is complete. This is the plus and this is the earthing and this is the minus. You can see guys. So guys, now let's check the board. The connection is perfect or not. So guys, this is the DC. You can see guys. Now I show you now. You can see guys, this is the 12 volt DC. You can see this is the plus. I will connect here. And minus is in this here. So guys, this is the direct. Now I will check here first. You can see guys, 12 volt. Now let's check another one. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, like, comment and share.